Hello everyone. Take few transparent papers and white colored sticky tape. Stick it, then cut up branches in the form of a scissors and then roll it to form a zigzaggy flower. Then take another yellow colored paper, pull them together to form the lower part of the flower and then make the leaves accordingly. Take a pink colored sellotape or a ribbon and then roll it in the form of small triangles to form this shape. Then accumulate all of them and stick above one another the ribbons. Make a line like this. Then again use a glue to stick and roll them together around a stick. It should be green so that it looks naturally and the stem looks so good. Take a blue colored paper or a ribbon, fold them together, cut it with the help of scissors and then roll it with the stemmy parts. Then take green colored ribbon and make the branches and the leaves, bend it and then your flower is done. Take a pink colored paper and cut it in the form of petals and then stick all the petals together. Then take white colored ribbon and then cut it in the form of inside buds. Take a ribbon, it should be purple and transparent. Then repeat the same process of inserting it through the needle and passing it through the hole. Then rolling it and giving it the shape of a flower and then sticking the artificial stems and leaves onto it. Take a green colored sellotape or a ribbon and then measure 5 cm. Cut it with a scissor accordingly as per your wish. Give it a leafy shape. Then bend the leaves around and below and then make it look like a flower branch. Take decorative red and green colored pearls and then attach all of them together with the help of bending rotating wires just like this. Then your beautiful red and green colored aquarium or aquatic flowers are here. Take a green colored ribbon and cut it in the form of leaves or buds just like shown in the video, and then when you are done, give it a thicker and constant look by cutting few edges just like this and then attach it with the help of stick and then you are done. Thank you for watching.